All right, now we're ready for the first unboxing video of the 2021 Proof W Silver Eagle with the old reverse. And here it is. I'll open it from this end. Aren't you excited, honey?
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. We've been waiting.
And there it is. Wow. Holy crap. 1 ounce silver proof coin. Certificate of authenticity. So this is a real coin, according to this. That's good. Whoa! There's an eagle. Okay, come on out of there, buddy. Wow, fancy schmancy. That is cool. Honey, you should see this thing. It's crazy.
I will watch your video right away.
That is very nice. Very nice. Oh, it doesn't come out. Doesn't actually come out. There's nothing on the other side is blank, so you can't get that out of there. No. 2021. Damn, that's barely see the year on there. Interesting. All right. Yeah, pay no attention to that. Pay no attention to the man behind the curtain. Okay. All right. Cut. I'll get it out of there. So there it is. Does it say 2021? And look, the last of them. This is the last coin, as best I have heard. W mint mark. Yeah, this is at least a mint state 71. Yeah, baby. Close. So there it is. The 2021 Proof Old Reverse American Silver Eagle. It's for sale, by the way. I'll take the first $500. Make me an offer. Send it to my PayPal. Send $500 to my PayPal. All right. So it's Keith. Stacking Keith. Keith the Stacker. Out, and see you next time.